So today I'll be showing you a quick idea to make some planner pouches, kind of like a planner pouch slash floating dashboard for your planner. And I am using a printable from the digital collection. Each month I'll be releasing a digital collection. It's a digital subscription kit with all sorts of planner things and goodies, and I did it that way so you can kind of craft along with me, because some of these projects that I will be showing you, you kind of need the file. So the first thing I did, I printed the digital. I did one on regular paper and I did one on vellum. Let me see, I'm not sure you can see the vellum. Yeah. And then I just put it on a regular piece of paper and cut that same shape out, and I'm going to laminate them like this. So let me show you how they will look. So you want to run them through your laminator just like that. Alright, once you have your die cut laminated, you want to go ahead and cut it out, but you want to make sure not to cut through that edge. So if you normally get really close, don't get as close to that edge, because that is what is holding these two layers together. So I've cut out a few of them just in case I mess up on this part. So next thing I want to do is get a razor, and we are going to make a line right along that edge. And when you want to make sure you only cut through one layer. Like, we're only trying to cut through the top layer of laminate. And that's why I did more than one, just in case. Alright, that one didn't even get through the first layer. Alright, and if you did it correctly and didn't cut through both layers, let's see, you should be able to slide that in the inside like that. Alright, I think this one is vellum. I'll try with this one. And I'm trying to decide if I want to cut like under this line right here, or if I want to cut into that top slit on the coffee cup. Oh, let's see. Oh, and you also don't want to cut all the way to the edge. So that first cut did not get all the way through, so let's try it again. Okay, and you can see it a little better with the vellum one. I'm just going to do like this just to... Alright, let's see. Let's see who can go. It's not die cut. Trying to see what I have printed on cardstock. Okay, so now you have a little pouch to stick things in. Now you can put either die cuts or like tiny sticker sheets. You can put whatever in here. Let's see, she's printed on cardstock. Things printed on cardstock work better. So this is how it looks if you printed that top layer on vellum. And let's stick something inside of this one. Let's see, I know I had something printed really big in here. Let's see if that won't fit. That'll slide to the bottom. Alright, let's just slide this in, even though I don't really like this in there. Alright, so this is how it looked if you printed that top layer on just regular paper. And I just use regular plain copy paper for this. So I still can't decide which one I like better. I thought I would like the vellum, but I kind of like that you can't see the inside of the pocket. And you can always put a sticky note on top, make this like a dashboard. So now that we have them cut out, I'm going to show you how to put them in your planner. I'm going to put mine in my happy planner. So you want to grab just a piece of plastic. I'm not sure if you can see that. And I'm just going to punch the edge. Once that is punched out, I like to see like how it's going to lay in my planner before I cut it. So if I want it to sit right about there, I'm going to trim this down and then just go ahead and glue it right onto this piece of clear plastic. And I'm going to make I'm going to make like a strip. Let's see. And this is how it will look in your planner. I can still use this one. I just like stuff punched on this side of the page. And I'm still not sure if I like the vellum or I think I like this one better where you can't see what's in the pocket. So there you have it, a quick planner pouch from a Printable. I will be making some more DIYs, so stay tuned for these. And if you have any questions about how I made this or what I used, leave me a comment and I will answer any questions.